Hi, this is Susie. Today we're going to talk about the bird nest fern, watering, how much sun it needs, propagation, and a little story. Avoid watering the center of the plant, the rosette. It could have root rot in there if you get water in there. I usually cover with a paper towel before I mist or water the plant just in case. Test the moisture level by sticking a finger an inch or two down in the soil. Just test it down here. Water 1 or 2 times a week. It does like to be moist but not soggy. Never allow the soil to become dry to the touch. Always likes to be moist. Providing some direct sunlight is great for the bird nest fern to grow, while it only needs some morning or a small amount of pre-sunset. So I have it like in front of on the table in front of my window in the den with the shade down but open, and I let it have some morning sunlight and also some pre-sunset. The sun can cause the fronds to become pale or have scorch marks on them if the sun is too hot. So they will cause this to have scorch marks, these leaves, which is called fronds. Very pretty green. The sun is much less harmful to the plant in the winter. You can mist the bird's nest fern. This will give it plenty of humidity and a layer of mulch or pine needles if you would like to help keep the moisture in. Bird nest fern reproduces through spores, which appear as little brown spots on the undersides of the fronds. I don't have enough right now to do that. I have a few in here starting. Let me see, where did I see? Just a little bit of brown dots there. And as if it gets a lot more, then I'll start doing the propagation. When the spores on the frond are fat and a little fuzzy looking, remove a frond and place it in a paper bag. Over the next few days, the spores should fall off. You can place the spores in peat moss. Put it right on top of the peat moss, leaving them uncovered. Water the pot by placing it in a dish of water. Let it soak up from the bottom. Keep the spores moist. If uncovered, mist it daily. Keep the pot in a shady spot between 70 and 80 degrees. Ferns grow best in low light. Sorry for moving the camera right around so much. The bird nest fern is a popular, attractive fern instead of the feathery foliage that are associated with ferns. This plant has long, solid fronds that have a crinkly appearance around the edges. That one's starting to curl. There we go. It gets its name from the crown or center of the plant that resembles a bird's nest. It is an epiphyte, which means it grows clean to other objects rather than in the ground. So this is a very interesting plant, my first time having this plant. And I did some research on it, a lot of research. If you have any questions or comments, just put them in the comments below and I'll answer them for you. And I thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.